They're good people to work with. I like them.
Absolutely.
Yeah, Nike good people to work with, man. I like them. Nike, mwen travay Nike, man. Mwen yeah, but I man.
Yeah.
Let's get back to the grills.
Talk to me.
And let's get back to these, right?
Yeah, crazy.
I mean, these
are like, those are probably like my...
Huh? Yeah, the cars is ça. Ça yon tennis. Man. Off-white ones.
Those are probably like my second or third pair, yeah.
6,000, man. $6,000, man. Yeah. And this is like my second or third pair. Get a case déjà. Ça égale ça est troisième. Case yo. Renmen ça tout.
Ça va.
Yon na ça man de man qui light blue, petit bleu ciel. Shit.
So these are like your go-tos.
Yeah.
You run through these?
Yeah, I run through I love wearing these. These are so easy to just wear.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
The off-white Air Jordan 1 Chicago.
These guys.
So are my go-tos, man. So these are my go-tos. The Empire.
I'm not gonna lie, these definitely gotta be like a top 5 sneaker.
This is my grill. This is my grill. This is the one.
When these drop,
see, in my opinion, this is probably my top 5 sneaker. Yo, this is the one. Opinion kay Cenat. Tenisa c'est top 5.
Il est dans top 5.
Pour les top 1 même.
Yeah,
top 5. Fanatique yo, même. Top 5, right? These are the ones
oh my gosh, I wanted these so bad.
Unfortunately, after the untimely passing of Virgil, the resale for these shot up insane. This went from 1,500 to 10,000.
Yeah, to 15.
Damn. Depuis the Virgil film movie, on était niche Virgil too.
Yeah, off-white, yeah.
Ça a sorti de 1,500. On y a 10,000, 15,000 pour acheter un paire, man. Market valil monter. Yo valité sur valité sur monter plus que machine. Machine descend yo monter. Ya tête.
Que bala que pista mais ta descend
monter vas. Yeah. O carro tem isso ça tout cas ouais les gars venir bien chez sur eBay man.
15,000 now. So these are absolutely insane.
Crazy.
One of the things you've been able to do streaming is you've been able to meet and work with some of the biggest names and biggest stars in the world. One in particular, Drizzy Drake.
Yep.
Hey, Drake, oui.
Toujours été le
Hey, Drake, oui. Pas moi la veille là. Pas moi la veille là.
Toujours été là.
Hey, Drake à Nike, man. Yo, nigga.
Ça va mal, non?
Nèg yo gen comme tout côté men k'ap sorti man.
Ça m ka wè.
11 ans, nèg yo entre dans monde tennis nan man.
So I'm looking at the all white Noctis.
Yep.
Talk about your relationship with Drake.
Yeah, Drake, he's been showing love to me since like 2023 after my fifth time.
Yeah, man. Like,
yo, talk about your relationship with Drake, man. Qui relation y a Drake, man. Drake, bah il s'appelle Lanmou. Depuis après Mafia, il fin fait Mafia maintenant. Il commence à show himself a lot of love. So Drake son l'autre tout cap voyer monthly packages, care packages bali, cap voyer ti bail pour lui. Et c'est pas fait mentir, c'est Drake était présent dans l'université am quand il te font vidéo, un petit bout de clip pour lui, il était là, right? Yeah. Et vrai, Drake c'est un nèg qui me c'est.
Yeah, Drake toujours communiquer. Drake peut pas participer. Il était avant son stream avec Drake.
Il pas de pull up, ouais. Yeah, il était dit ça, il était
il a préparé pour internet là.
Yo, Drake. But Drake fait là on l'autre streamer tout, man. On streamer white, man.
Oh, il fait là avec Eden.
Il fait là Eden?
Oh, ok.
Beaucoup backup quoi pas Eden.
Drake fait pas des stream avec Eden, non, cher. Après ça, il fait avec un autre Timberland. Timberland, ça va au gauche.
Timberland, on ouais. C'est un petit coupé, il faut dire un européen, on va ça.
Il fait pas avec Eden pour descendre. Là, il fait comme ça.
Bah, ça. Oh, yeah. Et bon base, Eden, tout.
Oui, oh.
Bon base.
À l'aise,
Yeah, let's go.
Drake has always shown love, like even like earlier back when people was doing skits on the internet before it became a phenomenon.
Yeah,
he would always show love to the culture.
Yeah.
And you know, the Knock the Glide is definitely one of the better silhouettes he came out with. So
right.
Shout out to Drake. All right, before we get into the close, we're gonna talk Air Jordan 4. There's no way I walk past these DB4s.
Crazy.
It's 4, man. Jordan 4. Saint Mil, man. Mi se gen rezon, yon closet la bago.
Gen bagay la dan.
Yo, tout pi fò tenis nè ga, men.
Ou boto 4 tenis. Ou gen bagay nan moun.
Yo, gen jwè kap vin la, men. Yap moto closet. Yo, yeah, charge Nike, but pri Nike yo, men. Se pa mal ki. Nè gap moto tenis $200-300, ou ka di, ka achete sa. But a kome si nan 1,600, men.
Non, lot nivou.
E ka hot chup get ou. Then I have 7,000. E ka hot chup get up e vizyon de, men. Pa e ka hot chup. Kom sa pe vizyon de 4 ka hot chup baz. Yo, ba opon. Dek yo dan lo stream, dek yo pare to ti donk ou 300. Mem 600, mem 600, men. Bon nivou peut-être ma privé 600. Si vraiment remonté lis, men. D'abrisiye.
Ba yon ti bagay.
Oui, 6 a monté. But number 4, numéro 4, ça amène $5,000. Et Jordan,
in my opinion, he's the best Dornbecker of all time.
Oh my God, look how dirty they are.
I mean, that's, bro, I love that.
Yeah.
Chenzi, oh my God. Ça yon nan teleske ki pi bel pou monsieur. I dit, oh my God, look how dirty they are. And he said, I love that because it shows that you wear them. Bon, he said, Catman. Et ça y est, tennis imprimé. Quand il a dit, yeah, you sale tout parce que c'est crasé ça.
Yeah, rocking them. And the story behind them is crazy, right?
Yes.
You know the story about? Can you explain it?
Well, yeah, so DB is a foundation that Jordan Brand works with, and they allow children that's in Dornbecker Hospital to create different ideas, different creations, and this was one that, you know, a kid decided to create.
The kids created it, and then that's crazy.
Yeah.
And they go for some shit too, like those are good.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah, those are fire.
Yeah, man. Obviously, we love sneakers, but I've never seen a pair of these Skylarks before in hand.
Yeah.
So how did you get these?
JB, Justin Bieber. I had about met a long time ago.
Qu'est-ce ça sapato? I'm saying Justin Bieber.
Oh, and he hit me back. He said, "Yo, bro, I love everything that you're doing." And after he was just like, "Put up to the crib in LA," and I put up on him when I was out there. And yeah, we just chopped it up. We were going over the designs as we were talking. Yeah. And a lot of them I said I liked, and he just said, I bet take them. And then just wear them and just tell me how they are. And then he's finally out now. So I took these, those gray ones. I took these from him. He was wearing them. He took them off his feet, gave it to me.
Bieber took the shoes off his feet.
He got good people designing over there. The Skylark hoodie right here.
Shout out to Justin Bieber though.
Yeah, shout out to JB.
Take the shoes. I always heard the term, give you the shirt off my back, but I ain't never seen it.
Justin Bieber, misal ka Justin Bieber. Et pendant l'été Californie, Justin Bieber, yo, put up son. Et t'es ça, et pour et monsieur t'a designé yo, ça tout montre là, et pour Justin Bieber, just dit, ben prends ça yo. Laisse ça pas même sorti même.
Yeah.
Il dit, essaye yo, mais on va faire connaître.
Comment
yo, comment yo fait tout. Tout nèg a fait. Si on aime lo a fait venir présenter dans stream là. Jacket ça Justin Bieber retiré sur l'île fait le cadeau.
This is it right here.
It's good quality too. Heavy.
Yeah, he was wearing this. He just took it off and just.
Tout ça est produit Justin Bieber.
Gave it to me. But yeah, he got some heat. I'm not gonna lie.
Let's kind of segue into fashion.
Okay.
Right now, you dripped out in Rockaware.
Yep.
You've been doing a lot of stuff with Rockaware.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna be honest.
Now you dripped out in Rockaware. Been doing a lot of stuff with Rockaware, man. When you have to drip, c'est Rockaware, man. Pas tout drip, non, but là, on compte passer Rockaware tout. Et pour collaborer avec Rockaware, collaboration, quoi.
Quoi?
Collaboration. On s'y regarde, bon qui va connaître ça, il regarde des 1999, 2000, 2001. Ancien radio, il y a tout. C'est regarde Jay-Z de.
Regarde Jay-Z.
Et monsieur était vendre compagnie. Il même avait ton nec tête calé. Rockaware. Yeah.
I don't see a lot of the world rocking that. I think you brung that back. I'm gonna give you your flowers.
Yeah.
Talk about rockaware. Why did you decide to kind of go in that direction, and what the relationship?
I was trying to find something that I remember growing up as a kid seeing. These are like the first brand I realized, okay, Kai, it's not about the price of what you're wearing, it's about how you wear it, like who's wearing it, you know what I'm saying? Like the fact that like people are actually complimenting rockaware in 2025 is crazy. Like I have this piece right.
The fit you had on with the orange lobsters was
crazy,
crazy.
right? Yeah. I have this rockaware sweater.
That's tough.
Take a rockaware sweater.
Ask anybody who knows me. It literally don't matter how the style looks. If it say rockaware, I'm getting it. Cause I want that whole collection to kind of build up more and more.
Yeah.
The owners of rockaware now, they actually had offered me to actually like design some new pieces for a new drop. That would be fire though.
Speaking of that, like obviously now you got a relationship with rockaware, you got a relationship with Nike. Would you ever want to create your own sneaker with Nike or design? And if so, what would you want it to be? Maybe
yeah,
Jordan 4?
I think I would go threes. For KC3.
Nick colors.
Kounya la ou gen relasyon a Nike et tout ça, si ça t'arrive que ou vle font collaboration créer un tennis qui est dans tennis tu t'a comme sur designer t'a aider Nike et pour ça c'est pas besoin designer là tout même c'est trop. C'est comme si monsieur dans fashion monsieur comme ça monsieur gagne woman.
I don't know, but that's the thing. I think it's not easy designing sneakers, especially it's so judgmental too. I think the last person that had really good sneakers is Boat Yachty sneaker collection. That's somebody who you should do too. Like he would be down to do a thing. I will.
Cause he ain't gonna pick.
I will.
Yachty a go connection to
Le Yachty.
Oui, tennis. So et quand dit monsieur yo son ça yon nan qui ou t'as supposé faire une émission avec toi, j'ai dit amen.
Oh,
j'ai dit bon bakwe Yachty t'a pris ton téléphone moi. Et quand Cenat me dit ben fais pour moi et ça est blague là ça. Détail qui connexion Yachty déjà. Il fait plusieurs chemins là. Bon partenaire Yachty. Yeah, monsieur consumer Yachty un peu longtemps.
Now I'll definitely introduce y'all, but designing sneakers is not easy, so I don't know how we'll go about that, but I'll definitely be down to definitely design one though.
That's tough.
For sure.
You really love Bape as well.
Yeah, I do.
So you got a lot of Bape hoodies.
I do.
A lot of people look at Bape and they be like, yeah, it was tough when we was growing up in high school, but it ain't tough no more. That's cap.
No, that's cap.
Bape is...
Bape yo ancien tout men, Bape yo ancien. Bape yo telo. You thinking radio, you thinking sweater.
one of those brands that will never die.
I do love the original.
Let's go vibe Bape yo man. Yeah, trop bye.
I love boots.
I know my sneakers, but bro, you are huge on boots. So I see
love
a couple
boots.
Chrome Heart Uggs.
Come on, Uggs, yeah.
Like
Boots. But
Ça limite déjà.
Chrome Heart. Hugs.
I didn't know they made these.
What up, Matao?
Yeah, still
Yeah.
Nah, yeah, I wore these 3 days in a row when I got them. Yeah.
Yeah, I wear this 3 days in a row when I got them. Let me forget, mettez 3 jours l'été l'autre.
3 jours l'été.
C'est vrai, ça, man. Yeah.
Tim's.
Man, those are
The Thames, yeah. From go Thames now, I mean, from pull up at Thames now, I mean. Pas là pour Christmas, c'est là pour Christmas, da fond bail pas ça avec lui.
Ça, les noir. Jaune, tout là des bons.
T'as passé le bonheur. Young like yeah, for pull up on Timber, on Black Timber, we'll take it back. You know what I'm saying? Some grimy shit, some Black Timber.
crazy.
Yeah.
Tough.
But also from
yeah, they got a pink one. Sheesh.
Like I'm used to boots from like New York and it's snowing and $100 for a Tim's.
Yeah, they hard in boots, man. They're gonna be that people, but man, they're in high school. Back if you loot.
Like one.
Yeah. Shit.
2130 for Tim's.
Yeah.
And just walking outside.
I mean, what is these?
Moon Boo actually sent these to me and I just never wore them.
God damn, what is this? Il dit le machin peut-être.
Il dit à limite quel est combien de temps il dit ça gain.
Émission fait que sorti, mais c'était que dread though, ça c'est une question m'a demandé tête moi.
Oui, le gars a shooté longtemps.
Right, ça semble son bail qui shooté longtemps. Pas trop longtemps, non, but
Ça,
yeah.
Cenat, mais
So, bah ça gagne, m'ko le compter 3 jours. 2 jours m'ko depuis la vidéo là gagne. Il va aller au million là.
Yeah, I don't even know how I would even be able to wear that. So yeah.
I'm lo bet, so lo bet bois bah ça.
One of them, yeah.
I feel like these
They
come to your
furnish,
hip.
though.
Like if you put these on, I feel like they come to your hip.
Yeah, it's getting right here. I don't even know how to rock those.
What are these here?
Oh, these are actually crazy. So a good.
Eh?
Kodak Black.
Yeah, Kodak. Yeah. On connaît l'histoire de
Friend of mine in the CNC design.
On connaît l'histoire bout de ça. Et qui porte pied ou mettre ou toujours à l'aise.
Qui est pied.
Yeah, pas que gauche pas que droite.
Gauche pas droite.
Yeah.
Come on. À l'aise.
Comment t'as fait comme ça? C'est ça sous ta chute. Yeah.
Vous job vous m'offrez là pour aller.
Yeah. Yeah, but et puis t'as gueule mettre bail sous le corps. Comment damn, dog.
The products by putting the pearls on them, and these are actually fire. These are moon boots, and you wear them on any like foot, and it'll be the same.
Oh, so
Qui va pied même bagarre là.
they like ambidextrous feet.
Yeah, in a way, yeah.
That's actually fire. I never-
These are actually fire. Yes.
Designer Balenciaga. Do you still like? Do they still get wears? Like we
Oh yeah,
see like the
for
Balenciaga
sure.
back here and stuff like this.
Yeah.
Are you over that
yeah.
phase?
Yeah,
or
no. I won't.
Bah j'aime bien ça man. Bah j'aime ça. Bah m'intéresser. Bah I was not
skinny là. Petit maillot blanc bien plaqué.
Yeah, bah fait partie wave ça. Bah prend wave ça.
Évitez ni ça when yeah, bye.
Going to the store and solely like try to buy them now. But like, if I see something I like, I'm gonna get them for sure.
You know.
These two, I performed with Yachty.
Wow.
He brought me out for the Future Person to
That's me. So I remember. That's fine. Yeah. Yeah, that's me, man.
brought me up, and I performed at Rolling Loud with these. And these are
Sean
hard
Witherspoon,
too. Yep.
man. That's
Yep.
one. If y'all don't know,
Yep.
really tough.
Those, I haven't worn that since Rolling Loud though.
And you know, another thing that complements your outfits, it's all about accessories with you.
Yeah.
Watches,
Yes.
hats,
Yes.
even luggage. I
Yes.
see we got LB luggage, we got
Yeah, if you know
Goyard
me, I'm super
C'est qu'on mine valise tout, man. C'est qu'on c'est dit ouais mes valises en pile, man. Nous avons connexion valise qui est l'autre, man.
big on duffels and
Comme pour bail quand même.
bags and stuff. So like a lot of these like aren't easy to find. So like
Like, bro, what is like? I've never seen that before.
Yeah.
this is like a runway piece right here, Louis Vuitton.
Dis la
This is part of Pharrell's drop that he just dropped and stuff. But I have a whole
valise ça est Pharrell. Pharrell qu'on aime c'est faire collaboration avec Louis Vuitton. Yeah, man.
bunch of luggage, and I am a massive watch guy, so I love watches and stuff like that. I kind of cut back on the jewelry, like chains and bust down chains and the bust down watch. I just went more plain Jane, more. It's just a much better feel, you know.
First off,
Appreciate you.
Thank
But
you.
Be honest though, what would you rate what you've seen so far in my secret collection? What do you rate?
Pas mentir, man. Be honest, man. Comment t'as bam? Qui garde ta bam, man? Sous ta bam note. Qui note ta bam? Des soirs, ouais. Et des closettes là. Avant, c'est Bali, man. Comment t'as bas les closettes? Là, man.
Pour closette là, chaîne d'abord mission 8.
Ballon 8, oui. Il va finir de dire ça.
Non.
Ça, c'est ça.
Et je me dis allemand qu'on t'y gosse.
Il va
Parce
continuer.
que dans pour toi habiller. Moi même tant que là si ma fait closette moi pour me tout habiller en dedans juste paraît juste pour regarder me pas besoin aller dans chambre.
Yeah.
C'est pour presque pas qu'à mettre cadeau dans l'intérieur coincé.
So, bah, c'est minus. Ou bah, moi, c'est dans ce closet là.
Yeah, gosse à ça.
Bon, comme les gars, l'autre cas et tout, man.
Ça va être, mais la parler de ça, m'balu.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be honest with you, bro.
Okay.
This shit is very impressive. But I'm gonna tell you why it's very impressive, right?
Okay.
It's the diversity, bro.
Yeah.
From Jordan, Nike, you got Dunks, you got slides, you got boots. We've had a lot of people on this show. You have things here that I've never seen before. And that speaks volumes, bro, because before the show, I thought I seen it all. Bro, you got stuff I never seen before. So I'm gonna give this a solid, I feel like a 9 to be disrespectful. But bro, I never seen something. I'm not even glad. Like I gotta be a 10.
Yeah,
bro.
and you know your shit too.
D'abord bon neuf men, but yo man, ki ba ke ou gen la ki mba j'aime gen dans la vie, man. Même le me fait plaisir. Même le me fait plaisir émission gen ba moi, but gen pile ba peut-être c'est un bon. Dans le bon neuf.
Pour l'émission différent.
Yeah, m'se gen pile ba différent.